Hello and welcome to my PowerPoint Masterclass, where I'll teach you how to design professional PowerPoint slides and how to animate them. This is the main topic, but we will also talk about kinetic typography, making templates in PowerPoint, and creating videos out of presentations. Additionally, we will learn many tricks which only professionals in PowerPoint use, like creating overlays, painting the format over, or using trigger animations. It will be helpful if you already know something about PowerPoint, but if you don't, you can also work slow and you can go through the entire content learning all the things the professionals should know. I wanted to show you a few of the slides we will design and animate together, so you'll have a better idea of the quality we are aiming for. After this course, you will be comfortable both with designing in PowerPoint, animating with PowerPoint, and creating videos with PowerPoint. We will not only have fun together designing in PowerPoint, but you will be also granted all the templates, and I've also prepared a reward system which will grant you vector icons and vector maps in PowerPoint. If you are not sure, please take a few of the free preview lessons which are down below to get a bit familiar with the course structure, with how I teach and how does a normal lesson here look like. Now it's time to make your decision. Do you want to keep guessing or do you want to learn in an engaging, fun and professional way? I hope we'll see each other inside. I'm waiting prepared there for you, so see you inside the lessons.